We're too hard on ourselves as parents. We think there's supposed to be something perfect, like there's a science of it, or even me as someone who studies this stuff and does research in it, you'd think I'm doing it right. But the reason in all my parenting books I write, or my colleagues and I both write, how we each do it, we flub up because there's no such thing as perfect parenting. But at least if we know the general direction we're going, and when we veer off of that because we're having a bad day, we're tired, we miss the opportunity to connect or soothe, when we realize that, we can make a repair. And a repair involves recognizing what we've done, taking a deep breath and being kind to ourselves, and saying, you know something, that was a mistake, and I need to go back and make a reconnection because I didn't see my child, I didn't soothe my child, or my child wasn't safe. And if I can make repair when there are the ruptures, and for the most part I try to offer these 3 S's on a reliable basis, I get the 4th S, which is called security. All the research shows that children who have a secure attachment are the most likely to have resilience through the rocky period of adolescence and then into adulthood.